Hi there coders, Antonio here with another Xcode tip for you. Today we will learn what Xcode behaviors are and how they can speed up your workflow. If you head over to Preferences, you can go by clicking here in Preferences, or if you're like me who loves shortcuts, you can just type Command and comma, and you click on this cog here. You find a lot of predefined behaviors that comes out of the box with Xcode. And believe me, I bet you've been using quite a lot of them for a long time. Let's take a look into the pause, which is one of the predefined behaviors. And this one, for instance, is one that I've tweaked a little bit. And over here, we see that it will open a tab named Debug with those two nice icons within the active window. If you want to have a separate window, just select it over here. It will also show the navigator with the debug tab, which is this one over here. And it will also show the debug view with variables and console as soon as a given breakpoint is hit by the execution flow. And also it will also hide the inspectors, which is this view we have on the left side. So we can see this thing in action right now. I will just run my app, and as soon as the first breakpoint is hit, the entire interface of Xcode will completely change. And there we go, we just saw our pause behavior in action. Now that we know what behaviors are and how they work, let's take a look on what I consider to be, well, the cherry on the cake. And those are the custom behaviors. I have here a couple ones that I define, and they are the ones I use most of the time. For instance, I have coding, I have config, I have storyboard, and also build. And if you want to have something similar to this, you just hit the plus button and create all sorts of configuration as you wish. So let's take a look on the storyboard, for instance. As soon as I hit Alt, Command, and S, I will see a new tab named Storyboard with this palette color within the active window. It will also hide the navigator, hide the debugger, and also hide the inspector. Let's see this thing in action. So Alt, Command, and S. And there we go. We have a new tab called the storyboard, the nice icon. I have my new controller active just so I can start working. And we also have the attributes inspector, okay? And one last tip I'd like to give you guys is this. As I said, I really like shortcuts, and I think not a lot of people are aware about this. So if you hit Shift, Command, and Pipe, you can see this preview of every single window that you have active within Xcode, and then you can just click and start working right away. So that's my tip for you today. I hope you have learned something cool. And if you like this kind of content, I'd like to invite you to hit the subscribe button and also please hit the like. So that's it. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.